just a quick video to show you the problem that we still have with the gas in our Thetford Aspire 2. I'm going to put the gas on now. So that's on gas mark 9, just a flickery yellow flame. There is nothing under here blocking the vent down here, and there's nothing up here. Obviously I'll open this glass lid, window open, there's absolutely zero breeze outside, and no matter how I change the dial, we just have a little flickery flame. If I put the top on, you can see just about with the camera, just a proper blue flame straight away, and obviously everything on top is working fine. I'll stick another one on. So these are all fine, but again, all we have in the oven, no matter what we do, is just this little flicker. And I'll just zoom outside just so you can see that there's no breeze and there's nothing blocking. So there's no wind, the trees are still. There's nothing blocking this. Obviously I can feel heat coming out of there, but there's still as anything. And just double check when I go back in, make sure nothing's changed whilst I've been out there. So gas mark 9, and as you can see, just a little flickery flame doing nothing. Change it, well, obviously it's not going to do anything. Turn it back up again, back to 9, and again, nothing blocking the vent. I can feel a bit of a breeze, a little bit of air, so there's nothing blocking that, and there's nothing blocking the top here. Okay, thank you.